In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Nissan Rogue. They're going to be located in the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to move this baffle. There's a hose right here. Pop that out of that clip. There's a grommet right here. Pull up there. And then right here there's a grommet. Just pull up. There you go. There's two hoses. There's a hose right here, and then the boot over here. I'm going to take some hose clamp pliers, remove it from the boot first. Squeeze that hose clamp, pull that off, and pull the clamp off. And the hose right here. I'm going to pull the hose clamp right there, down there. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers, squeeze this clamp. Slide that up, grab the hose, and pull that right up. We're going to remove this wiring harness. There's some retainers right here. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers, squeeze that, and this one too. Just squeeze it, it pulls out. It gives you a little bit of slack with the wiring harness. Disconnect the connector for the coil. We're just going to push down on the tab, slide the connector off. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Pull that out, grab the coil, wiggle it back and forth, and it pulls right out. Just use a little compressed air. Just blow out the spark plug tube in case there's any debris in there. Just take a thin coat of dielectric grease, not very much, just a dab, that's fine. Take the coil, get this lined up, twist that back and forth a little bit. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. Snug that down. Now torque this to 62 inch-pounds. Take the connector, line it up, plug it in, and you can do the same with the other ones. Now take the harness, get these brackets lined up, and push them in place. Get this in position. Using the hose clamp pliers, just loosen this up. We'll put the baffle, get that started in place. Make sure it's all the way on. Release the clamp. Take the tube, get that tube positioned. Push that down. Using needle nose pliers, move that clamp. That's in place. Get the pins lined up with the grommets. Push it down. And this hose, push that in the retainer.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.